Hello, so welcome to 41 Clift Street. It's a 2-bedroom terrace, very good for the hospital. Just going to show you the street scene. We've got a nice little cobbled road running down to the side there, and then we come up to the top. On-road parking, can get permits around here. The property currently has scaffolding outside the front. That's just about to come down because the roof has all been renewed, and all this will be gone by the time our new tenants move in. So we've got a little forecourt, and then we come through a UPVC door and we come into the living room. So our landlord here has refreshed everything. It's all been painted through, carpets cleaned. Room in here for a sofa, a small sofa, a couple of chairs, television table, and you've got a wall-mounted electric fire there. The house is heated with gas central heating, so there's radiators in every room. We walk through into the dining room. Room in here for table, chairs, set up as a home office, whatever you think is useful for you. We've got some cupboard storage, and there's also some understairs storage just as we come through from the living room into the dining room. Then onwards into the kitchen. So the kitchen's quite well fitted out. We've got some nice white coloured units at base and wall level. Black work surfaces over, as you can see. We've got a 1.5 stainless steel sink and drainer. It comes with a washing machine and with a dishwasher. For cooking, we have an electric cooker, and there's an electric extractor over. And we've got a freestanding tall fridge freezer. A little bit of room in that under area there for a bin. And then we walk through into an inner hall and you get access to the rear garden or the rear yard. And here we can see the ground floor bathroom. So we've got a wall hung wash hand basin, WC, and we have a shower cubicle with electric shower. And it's nicely done in here, all with nice sort of wall panels in. Yeah, just a nice room with extraction as well. So let's go and take a little look upstairs. Now it's 2 bedrooms, and we would say they're both doubles, both very good size actually. And we've still got a little bit of work going on in one of the back bedrooms. But if I start with the front, this is the bigger of them. So there you go, nice big double room. Overlooks the front street. I'll give you a glimpse of that view. Plenty of room for double bed, wardrobe, bedside cabinets, and there is some useful walk-in storage space for hanging and storing away your items. And if we walk through to the back bedroom, you'll see again, big enough for a double or a very large single. In there is the hot water, sorry, the boiler. The doors are ajar just because they've just been freshly painted. They all close up nicely. So yeah, that's your back bedroom. So 41 Clift Street, available now. 2 bedrooms, 2 receptions, nice kitchen and bathroom, great for the hospital in particularly, and available now from Hunters. So please do give us a call.